Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Wednesday, the 28th of October, 2020. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In regular math, we've got practice 4.3, which is comparing fractions, decimals, and percent found in Big Ideas. The accelerated class, you got practice 6.2 tonight. Regular math, also remember 30 minutes of MobyMax due Friday with a 70% or better completion percentage. In science, regular math, we've got an assignment called the structure of matter. This is dealing with the atoms family that we talked about today in class. In social studies, we've got a Google form called Coming and Going to fill out. In language arts, we've got a figurative language review form to fill out. Please make sure that you are using the reference at the bottom of that form about the different types of figurative language, simile, metaphor, personification, hyperbole, and idiom. Also, if you are in the accelerated class, not only do you have the figurative language review form to do, but you also need to be doing a polished draft of a beautiful place descriptive essay. In literature, you need to continue to read for your AR points, and you also have our Let Us Vote, our close reading questions. It's due at 3 o'clock today before you head home. In Careers in Life and FCS 6, there is nothing. Tomorrow, taking a look at things for our Spirit Week, is Thursday, and it's a throwback Thursday to the 1980s. Everyone have a fantastic Wednesday, and we're going to see you tomorrow.